So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our topic Microsoft Word. Okay. And we already completed our computer fundamental, then MS Paint also. Okay. And in the last class, I teach you how to get email ID. And before it, I teach how about the typing steps on Notepad. So now we are going to continue MS Word. So today is the basically introduction class of the Microsoft Word, and I will tell you about the file option and home option of the use of that. Okay. So मैं इसको पहले select करके delete कर लेता हूँ. It's very easy, like Notepad, but in the Notepad you can simply type. But in MS Word, you can do lots of things, like you can change the color of the font, you can insert the shapes, you can basically this MS Word used for writing reports, articles, creating forms, okay, making some brochures, ये सब डिजाइन करने के लिए इस पे यूज किया जाता है Microsoft Word. Okay. For example, you are going to make one admission form also, like that you want to take printout, so before it you have to type, so you can type that form on a Microsoft Word. If you want to write an article, any report, any story, so you can write on Microsoft Word. ये सारा काम इसके ऊपर होता है, mainly all the official works, okay, you can do on the Microsoft Word. So this is the page, that white area you can see, this is called the page. This is the page, and this is a scale. This scale is called the ruler. This scale is called the ruler. There's a two ruler. One is on the top and one on the left side of the screen. Okay, left side on the screen. And this menu line on the bottom, the bottom line is called the taskbar. Okay. So this is called the ruler, and this is called the scroll bar. With the help of that, you can scroll the page up and down. The same thing you can do with your mouse. In the mouse, this the middle button is the scroll button, right? That with the help of that, you can scroll the page up and down. Otherwise, you can click here on the scroll bar, and then you can make the page up and down. And this is called the menu bar. This is called the menu bar, like file, home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, Foxit, PDF, Nova, PDF. These all are options. These all are menu options. And each menu option have some different options. Like if I click on the file option, so you can see there's option save, save as, zip and share, open, close, information, resend, new, print, save and send, help, option, exit. All these options are inside the home option. The first option is called the save. So suppose you are writing anything in this page. Malika, hello. This is my first Microsoft Word. मैंने सिंपली टाइप किया, hello, this is my first Microsoft Word class, and I want to save this file. So I just, and why we save our file? हम save क्यों करते हैं? So that in future whenever we need, so we can use that file. अगर आप file save नहीं करोगे, if you are not going to save your file and you directly close the file, so in future if you need that file again, so you will not get back. आपको file नहीं मिलेगा. But if you save the file in your computer, so in future and whenever you want, so you can open that file, you can read, you can use that file. Okay. So to save a file, you have to click on the file option. Then you have to click on the save button. There's some shortcut keys also, but we will learn about the shortcut keys later on, not now. So when you click on the save button, so you can see this option will come on the screen. And the name of this option is called save as. Okay, so don't be confused with this word. And this is the location. This is the location that where you are going to save your file. Where you are going to save your file. This is the location on the top of the screen where it is written this PC documents. It's mean this file is going to save in the documents folder. Okay, and at the bottom there's option file name. File name, you can give here the file name. जो भी आपको नाम देना है फाइल का, आप यहाँ पे टाइप कर सकते हो फाइल नेम. सपोज मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे फर्स्ट word file, first word file, and save as type word document, save as type word document. So three options you have to be to be careful while you are going to save your file. One is the location where you are going to save your file, second is the file name, by which name you are going to save your file, and third option the save type, that in which format you are going to save your file. अगर आप अपना फाइल को वर्ड का फॉर्मेट में सेव करें तो वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट नॉर्मली इट विल सेलेक्ट बाय डिफॉल्ट वर्ड. If you're going to save this file as a PDF, so you have to choose option PDF. So this file will convert automatically into the PDF format. Okay. And is the location कि आप फाइल कहाँ पे सेव कर रहे हो डॉक्यूमेंट्स के अंदर. Suppose I want to save this file on desktop, so आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करना होगा. Otherwise you can click here also. You can see there's another different options I see on the available on the left side on the screen. So just click on the desktop option. ये desktop select किया, then यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा फाइल का नेम first word file, then save type as word document, and then I'm going to click the file save. इसको save कर लिया. When you save your file, the file name will come on the screen on the top of the page. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको show करेगा फाइल का name. Now I'm going to close this file. इसको close कर दिया. Now I can open the file. Where I save this file? I saved that file on the desktop. This is the desktop. This is the desktop. And on desktop, this is the our file. ये हमारा फाइल है. यहाँ से open कर सकते हैं इस फाइल को directly. You can double click with the mouse and then open the file. Otherwise, आप simply MS Word open करो. How to open MS Word? You can press Window R key. Then in the run option, you can type WINWORD, WinWord. Microsoft Word will open. This is the one option. Otherwise, in a search option, you can type here Microsoft Word. So it will come automatically by default. ये आ गया. Then if you want to open your file, then you have to click on the file option. यहाँ पे file पे click करो और यहाँ पे जाने के बाद open. Then click the option open. Open पे जाने के बाद you have to select the location where I already saved the file. Where I saved the file? On the desktop. So I have to click the option desktop. तो desktop पे click करेंगे. I will click on the desktop icon. Then I will search my file. अब यहाँ पे एक करके देखो फाइल कहाँ पे है desktop के ऊपर. Just click on the desktop. Then look at your file. This is my file. First Word file. Then click on the file name. Okay. And after click, just click on the option open. So this file will open. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like that, you can create a file, you can save the file, or you can open the file. Okay. But there's one more option, and the name of that option is called the save as. So what is the difference between save and save as? Suppose day one, I create this file, and on the second day, I'm writing here something else. How are you? Now again, if I click on that file and save, so what will happen? That previous file update with this new sentence. जो मेरा पुराना वाला फाइल था उसमें ये न्यू वाला सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा? अपडेट हो जाएगा. So if I again open that file, so I will get both of the line. Okay. पहले previous के अंदर क्या था? सिर्फ only one sentence. But now I again click on the option save, तो क्या हो गया? फाइल अपडेट हो गया. ठीक है. And it will not ask you the again file name. Once you click and save file, then second time when you click on save option, it will never ask you the location and file name. एक बार फाइल सेव करने के बाद ये आपसे जब दोबारा सेव पे क्लिक करोगे, आपसे दोबारा लोकेशन, फाइल नेम टाइप नहीं पूछेगा. बट सपोज यू आर राइटिंग समथिंग एल्स आल्सो, यहाँ पे कुछ और भी लिखा हमने. मैंने कुछ और भी इसके अंदर ऐड कर दिया. ठीक है. सेंटेंस. नाउ I want to save this file with a different name and in a different location. मुझे ये फाइल को कहीं और सेव करना है and with a different name. So that time I have to click the option file, then click the option save as. ठीक है. If you click on save as, So computer will ask you again location, file name and type. क्या आप फाइल को कहाँ पे सेव करोगे, किस नाम से सेव करोगे, और which format you will save. Okay, so I am going to select desktop, but not on the desktop. I will save in any folder. So there's a lot, this yellow icons are the folders. Okay, so I can choose any folder. I can save my file there inside that folder. तो यहाँ से कोई भी एक फोल्डर चूज कर लेते हैं. चलो ये ले लेते हैं. चलो ठीक है. HTML class 2021 इसको ओपन किया, ओपन हो गया. Now I can click here with a new name. Second day फाइल. और कहां पे सेव होने वाला फाइल हमारा, डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर एक फोल्डर है HTML 2021 एंड देन आई सेव द फाइल. नॉट इन दिस फोल्डर, इसमें तो मैंने कुछ और फाइल रखा है, कहीं और सेव कर लेते हैं. होमवर्क फोल्डर ऑन द डेस्कटॉप, दिस फोल्डर नेम होमवर्क. इसको ओपन किया होमवर्क के अंदर और यहाँ पे सेव कर लेते हैं सेकंड डे फाइल. नाउ यू कैन क्लोज दिस फाइल. Now you have to search where is the homework file on the screen. So do one thing, just click on the any of the file and press H because the folder name is homework, so it start from the H. So H press करो, एक एक करके आपको शो करेगा. This is a homework folder. Okay, so इसको ओपन करते हैं. Now this is our file. तो इसको ओपन कर सकते हैं हम यहाँ से. Is it okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
You got the difference
Yes,
between
sir.
save. आपको
Yes,
पता चला save और save में क्या डिफरेंस होता है?
सर एक बार और बोल दीजिए.
मैं बोल देता हूँ. सेव होता है अगर आप किसी फाइल को फर्स्ट टाइम सेव करोगे तो सेव पे क्लिक करना होता है. बट अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम आप फाइल को अपडेट करते हो, कुछ और उसमें टाइप करते हो, देन इफ यू वांट टू सेव दैट फाइल इन अ डिफरेंट लोकेशन विद अ डिफरेंट नेम. ठीक है, आपने फाइल में कुछ अपडेट किया, करने के बाद उसको आप कहीं और सेव करना चाहते हो किसी और लोकेशन पे किसी और नाम से, तो आपको सेव एज करना होता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर आप सेव
ठीक
करोगे
है
तो वो
सर.
पुराना वाला फाइल अपडेट हो जाएगा. ओके,
Okay,
आपसे
sir.
दोबारा
ओके सर.
आपसे दोबारा कंप्यूटर फाइल नेम लोकेशन नहीं पूछेगा. लेकिन अगर आप सेव एज करोगे तो कंप्यूटर आपसे अगेन लोकेशन पूछेगा एंड कहाँ पे सेव करोगे, किस नाम से करोगे, वो सारा कुछ पूछेगा. सो इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर.
ठीक है.
Clear, sir.
ओके गुड. एक ऑप्शन होता है क्लोज का. अगर आप क्लोज पे क्लिक करोगे तो क्या होगा, ये फाइल बंद हो जाएगा. जैसे फाइल है, यहाँ पे देखो तीन ऑप्शन होता है, मिनिमाइज, restore down and close. You can click here to close the file also. Again open करते हैं. It's mean you can click here and close the file. Otherwise आप सिंपली यहाँ पे फाइल पे क्लिक करो और यहाँ से भी क्लोज पे क्लिक करोगे तो फाइल बंद हो जाएगा. ठीक है, is it clear? Is it clear everyone?
यस सर.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मैं फाइल को ओपन कर लेता हूँ फिर से. डेस्कटॉप में होमवर्क फोल्डर था हमारा, यहाँ पे हमारा ये बोलता सेकेंड डे फाइल. ओके, अब इसके अंदर जो बाकी ऑप्शन है हम थोड़ा सा बाद में भी देख सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यहाँ पे देखो एक ऑप्शन है न्यू. ओके, एक ऑप्शन है न्यू. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन न्यू, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, ए न्यू फाइल विल क्रिएट ऑटोमेटिकली. न्यू का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. आपको ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए, ब्लॉग पोस्ट चाहिए, रिसेंट टेम्पलेट चाहिए, टेम्पलेट क्या चाहिए आपको, तो हम क्या करते हैं ऐसे बाय डिफॉल्ट ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे तो एक नया पेज क्रिएट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, नया फाइल यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे क्या नाम लिखा है, डॉक्यूमेंट 1. और जब आप फाइल को सेव कर दोगे तो वहां पे ऑटोमेटिकली बाय डिफॉल्ट फाइल का नेम आ जाएगा. जैसे इस फाइल पे क्या लिखा हुआ है, सेकंड डे फाइल. जब आप फाइल को सेव करोगे तो फाइल का नेम यहाँ पे आ जाता है. ठीक है, तो मैं एक फाइल न्यू फाइल ले लेता हूँ यहाँ से, कुछ और काम करना है. ओके, एंड नाउ वी विल डू प्रैक्टिस फॉर these options. हाँ, तो to apply this option we need some text. We need some text to apply all that. तो you can write a story, or from a newspaper you can type something, from a book you can type something. Okay, but we have very limited time now, like 1 hour class timing. So if I start typing here, so it will take too much time, so I cannot complete these options also. So there's some formula. So with that, with the help of that formula, I will insert some paragraph, and then I will apply all these options there. Okay, so please, you can write down this formula in your notebook also. So to insert some paragraphs in our MS Word, there's a formula equal RA and D. You have to type equal RA and D, then start a bracket, then write how many paragraphs you need. Suppose I need here 2 paragraphs only, then close the bracket and press enter. 2 paragraphs will come in the page. I'm writing again equal RA and D, start the bracket. If I need 1 paragraph, then write only 1, and then close the bracket, press enter. If I need more paragraph, equal RA and D, start the paragraph. Suppose I need 3 paragraphs more, close kiya, press enter. It will insert the 3 paragraphs. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, in a home option there's some features like bold. This is called the bold, this is called the italic, this is called the underline. देखते हैं इसमें क्या-क्या differences होता है. So to apply anything, first we need to select text. आप जो select करोगे उसी के ऊपर apply होगा. Suppose मैंने यहाँ से यहाँ तक select कर लिया इसको. करने के बाद अगर आप click करते हो B के ऊपर, so if it will apply the bold feature. So this letter will come little bit dark. See, और थोड़ा सा font थोड़ा सा change हुआ है, right? थोड़ा thickness increase हो गया है. Okay, second paragraph I'm going to select, and I'm going to apply italic, the I option. Okay, italic, and it will show you the shortcut keys also. When you take the mouse here, it will show the shortcut key Control plus I. It's mean I can click here also on this I. Otherwise, from the short keyboard, I can press Control plus I. ये देखो, italic करने से थोड़ा सा ये तिरछा हो गया, right? थोड़ा सा sliding हो गया ये right to left side. Okay, now I'm going to select this third paragraph, और इसको मैं यहाँ से क्या करूँगा, यहाँ से apply underline. If you click on underline option, so this underline will come. Suppose I don't want this underline, so you can select, and then again you have to click on this U option, so this underline option remove. Suppose I don't want underline this italic also, italic को remove कर दिया. मुझे bold भी नहीं चाहिए, तो मैंने यहाँ से इसको bold को भी remove कर दिया. It's mean first time you will click, it will apply, again you will click, so it will remove that feature. And it's not like that you have to select complete paragraph. आप जितना select करोगे उसी को apply होगा. Suppose मैंने सिर्फ इतना select किया, I select only this letter, then I click on the B option, so this bold feature will apply only on this, not on the complete paragraph. Is it okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is a basic feature, bold, italic, underline. You can change the font name also. Suppose मैंने इसको select किया, just click here. There's a different font style. आपको जो भी अच्छा लगेगा उस चीज में आप लिख सकते हो. There's size. You can click here, increase or decrease the font size also. From here also you can increase, decrease the font size. The first option is for the grow font. So click here to increase the font size. Second option is for the shrink font. It's mean to make smaller the font size. Increase or decrease. ठीक है. इसके बाद एक ऑप्शन होता है यहाँ पे change case. Change case. Just click here. If you click on change case, there's a 5 types of options. Sentence case. Sentence case means the first letter is capital, others are smaller. If any is the noun, so it will come capital letter, the first letter. So the second one is the lower case. If you select this, so all the letters will come small letters. ये सब small font हो जाएगा, alphabets. There's not a single capital letters. All alphabets are the small letters. Click here again. Now there's an option uppercase. If you click here, so all the letters will come in capital letters. If you click on capitalize each word, it's mean the first character of each word is capital, others are small. Like O capital in on, T capital in the D, I capital in the insert, T capital in the T. Okay, and just opposite of this option, capitalize each word, there's another name is a toggle case. If you click here, then first letter will be small, others are capital, like that. And it's up to you where you will use which kind of format, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize, where you will use which format. It's totally up to you. Then there's a one more option. Its name is the clear formatting. Clear formatting. If you click here, clear formatting, तो ये जितना भी आपने इफेक्ट अप्लाई किया था वो रिमूव हो जाएगा. बोल्ड, इटैलिक, अंडरलाइन, फॉन्ट साइज जितने भी आपने चेंज किया वो सब रिमूव हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Okay. There is an option named font color. This is the name of the font color. Suppose I select this and then click here and apply the red color. I can select another text. Then I can click here, apply the green color. कुछ और select किया, इसका color कर दिया हमने ऐसे blue color. It's totally up to us that which color we will apply. It's not like once we apply the color, so we cannot change it. We can change it. Suppose I apply here the red color. I can again select this and then I can make it some different color. Like yellow or something, this color. Is it okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So for today, do practice only on these options, nothing else, okay? Otherwise, it will be too much, huh? So if I teach many things in a one day, so it's a problem for you also to memorize all the things. So only do practice for these options. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.